Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and it's been a long time since I did a fried rice video. The first one I did was awful. I'm not even going to put a link up here to it. If you're good enough to find it, go ahead, laugh at me. But we're going to try to do it the proper way today. The way I like to do it may not be exactly how you like to do it, but it's how I like to do it, and that's what I'm going to show you coming up right now. Okay, so I've got some simple ingredients here for this recipe. The only thing that I don't have here that I'll sometimes put in is a little bit of shredded carrot, just to add some color. However, this time it's just going to be my wife and I eating this for lunch, so I'm going to go the way I like to do it, but by all means you can add or take away anything. Fried rice is very versatile. My recipe is very simple. I've got some beef here. The store calls this pepper steak, but I think it's just sirloin, and I've just pretty much cubed that up. It's thin already, and I've just cubed it. I've got some mushroom, and I like the mushrooms to be large chunks in my fried rice. Now I've got some red onion here. I like red onion because I just get that little bit of sweetness out of it, and I like how it caramelizes. It just seems to go better for my liking with fried rice. We've got some scallions here, some green onion. We're gonna put inside while we're cooking, and then I've reserved a little bit of that to garnish with when we're done. Obviously you're gonna need a scrambled egg. Some people like more egg or less egg. I have one scrambled egg. I've got some pre-cooked rice here. Now you can use any rice you like with your fried rice. This is just something we had here at home, and you do want to pre-cook it. Now lastly, we're going to need a sauce to put over this to sort of tie everything together with flavor. And this is kind of what motivated me to do this. Was I found this stuff at the grocery store. This is a Kikkoman, which I hope I'm saying that right, teriyaki with garlic and green onion. And I'm real excited to try this because those are flavors I love. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I purchased this stuff. I want to try it out on my fried rice. We're going to see how it goes. I've tried using just regular soy sauce before. I've used Yoshida's. I've used a lot of different things when I made fried rice. This is something new, and I am looking forward to giving this a try. So we're going to see how this does. All that said, let's get out to the griddle. Let's start sweating down these veggies. All right, let's start with these mushrooms and our onions. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt, my favorite. Turn that a little bit. Now I'm going to place my basting lid over this just to get that to kind of speed up a little bit. All right, let's check these again. Caramelizing really nicely here. Now let's add these scallions. All right, these are all looking really good. I'm just going to move these over. And let's get our beef on for this beef fried rice. This is going to cook quickly, but as soon as it's about ready, we're going to get our rice tied into all this, and we'll get our egg in there. It's going to go quick. Now I added a little bit of garlic salt to this when it was sitting out waiting to go on the griddle. I'm not going to add any more now that it's on because there's plenty of salt in that Kikkoman sauce that we're going to be using for this. Those onions and mushrooms are looking really nice. I'm going to turn off the heat on this far right burner. Okay, our beef's just about done. I'm going to slide that over and get our rice on now. And don't worry, we're about to tie all this together. We want to get a good coating of oil down here. All right, let's get our rice down. Now all I'm really looking to do here is just to spread this out and start getting a good crisp going on the bottom of this. So here we go, we're getting some color on this. It's picking up from the steak and the beef where we cooked it, and there's also a nice crisp coming in here. My dog Hobby's gonna like picking up some of these grains of rice off the deck. All right, this rice is ready for us to go ahead and make everything real happy, get it all together. All right, now it's time to put our teriyaki sauce on here, so let's do it. Now I went with a little bit less than half the bottle. We're going to see. I'll add more if I need to. Smell is incredible. Holy cow. I can already tell you this sauce is going to work out nice from the smell. It's just really good. All the flavors that I love. It's giving our rice some really nice color. And that's it, just a few minutes later. Now what I want to do here is create just a little area in the center. So here we go. All right, it's time to get this stuff into a bowl and get it inside. Now we're going to just finish this off with a little bit more chopped green onion here. I still like to get that little bit of crunch in my bite, and the ones that we cooked in are obviously kind of softened up a bit. All right, now there's really not much left to do except give this a try. So let me just put some into a bowl here. I want to get some of that green onion in there. There we go. Still nice and hot. Cheers, everybody. Excellent flavor. The Kikkoman sauce that we used, it's not overpowering with sugar or sweetness. And that's kind of what I like. I like an equal balance of that salt and that sugar when you're doing fried rice. So this is not too sweet like Yoshida's or some of those other real syrupy type sauces or brands of sauces that you might use. The beef has plenty of flavor from that sauce being on there. The rice has a nice little crisp on the outside. The veggies are sauteed down perfectly. This is a winner. Now remember, with fried rice or with anything that I do, you're welcome to take things out, put things in, do it the way you like it. This is how I like it. Like I said earlier, normally if I'm serving this to guests, I might put a little bit of shredded carrot in there and saute that down too, just for some color. But this is a real winner. So much so I'm going for another bite. Hang on. Oh yeah, I'm not being paid to tell you this, but this stuff's crazy good for fried rice. And I could imagine using this as a marinade. All right, so look, that's it for this episode. You could check out my other fried rice video if you dare. It's really old and it sucks. I'm just telling you right now, okay? So I wanted to remake one and do it a little bit better. So I did, and I hope this turns out better. Till next time, I'll see you guys on the next episode.